Okay, lesson 2 on nutrition. Today we're going to be talking about the 6 different nutrients. So each of the 6 nutrients has a specific job or vital function to keep you healthy. Everything you eat contains nutrients. Nutrients perform specific roles in maintaining your body's functions. Getting a proper balance of nutrients during the teen years can improve your health through adulthood. Giving your body what it needs. Your body uses nutrients in many ways. A few of them are used as an energy source, to heal and build and repair tissues, to sustain growth, to help transport oxygen to the cells, and to regulate body functions. The 6 types of nutrients are carbohydrates, proteins, fats. Those are the 3 that give us energy through calories, vitamins, minerals, and water. As just mentioned, carbohydrates, proteins, and fat provide your body with energy and help maintain your body. The energy in food comes from these 3 sources. Each gram of carbohydrates or protein will provide your body with 4 calories. Each gram of fat provides your body with 9 calories. Most nutrition experts recommend 45 to 65% of your daily calories coming from carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are starches and sugars found in foods, which provide your body's main source of energy. There are 3 types of carbs. You have simple carbohydrates, complex carbohydrates, and we also have fiber. Simple carbohydrates are sugars. Fructose is found in fruits, so it gives you quick energy. Lactose is the natural sugar that is found in milk, another form of quick energy. Sugars occur naturally in fruits, dairy products, honey, and maple syrup. They are also added to many processed foods such as cold cereals, bread, and bakery products. Complex carbohydrates, or starches, are long chains of sugars linked together. Common sources include grains and grain products such as bread and pasta, beans, and root vegetables such as potatoes. Fiber is a carbohydrate that moves waste through your digestive system. Fiber is a tough, complex carbohydrate that the body cannot digest. Good sources of fiber include fruits and vegetables, whole grains, and products made from whole grains, nuts, seeds, and legumes. Most carbohydrates are turned into simple sugar called glucose, which is the body's main source of fuel. Glucose can be stored in your body's tissues and used later. The benefits of fiber. Although the body cannot digest fiber, it still plays an important role by aiding digestion and reducing the risk of diseases. Teen girls, ages 14 to 18, should eat roughly 26 grams of fiber daily. Teen boys, ages 14 to 18, should eat roughly 38 grams of fiber daily. Proteins are made up of chemicals called amino acids. Proteins are nutrients the body uses to build and maintain its cells and tissues. Your body uses about 20 amino acids that are found in foods. You produce all but 9 of these amino acids. The 9 amino acids are called essential amino acids because the body must get them from the food that you eat. The rest are known as non-essential amino acids. Proteins are from animal sources are sometimes called complete proteins because they contain all 9 essential amino acids. They come from meat, eggs, dairy products, and soy. Protein-rich plant foods can include grains, nuts, seeds, and legumes. Protein is the basic building material of all your body's cells. Although protein does not supply energy to your body as quickly or easily as carbohydrates do, it can still be used as an energy source. Fats. There are 3 different types of fats. We have unsaturated fats, saturated fats, and trans fats. Eating unsaturated fats in moderate amounts may lower your risk of heart disease. So unsaturated fats are considered the healthy type of fat. Saturated fats, consuming too many saturated fats may increase your risk of heart disease. So saturated fats are one of the unhealthy types of fats. And trans fats can raise your total cholesterol level, which increases your risk of heart disease. Trans fats are the worst of the three types of fats. So many restaurants in big cities such as New York City have been banned from using trans fats in their cooking methods. Avocados, olives, and olive oil are all good sources of healthful, unsaturated fat. Saturated fat is mostly in animal-based foods, but also in some plant oils. We have meat products, many dairy products, palm oil, coconut oil, and even vegetable oil, which is a common oil used in cooking. Trans fats can be found in stick margarine, many snack foods, and packaged baked goods such as cookies and crackers. Because of the risk, the USDA now requires that the amount of trans fat be listed on the nutrition labels. The essential fatty acids are important to brain development, blood clotting, controlling inflammation, and maintaining healthy skin and hair. So we do need fats in our diets, for sure. Just try to get more of our fats from unsaturated fats. Consuming saturated fats can increase the levels of cholesterol in your blood. Cholesterol is a waxy, fat-like substance. Cholesterol is needed to create cell walls, certain hormones, and vitamin D. Excess cholesterol can build up inside your arteries, raising your risk of heart disease. Teens should consume less than 25 to 35% of their calories from fats. One goal would be try to have it under 30%. If you take up all your calories in a day, the calories that come from fats should be 30% or fewer. Limit intake of saturated fats to less than 10% of your total calories, and you should try to eliminate trans fats altogether. Now we do have other nutrients, as we mentioned. We have vitamins, minerals, and water. They do not provide energy, but they perform a wide variety of body functions. Each vitamin and mineral performs a different function in the body. As mentioned, vitamins and minerals do not supply calories, but are necessary for carrying out various body functions. Vitamins are compounds found in food that help regulate many body processes. Two different types of vitamins. We have water-soluble vitamins that dissolve right in the water. Examples of vitamin C, folic acid, and B vitamins. And you have fat-soluble vitamins stored in body fat. Vitamins A, D, E, and K to name a few. Because your body cannot produce minerals, it must get them from food. Minerals are elements found in food that are used by the body. Calcium, which is a mineral. Eating calcium-rich foods reduces your risk of developing osteoporosis. Obviously, we get calcium from our dairy products. Osteoporosis is a condition in which the bones become fragile and brittle and break easily. So generally, a person might develop osteoporosis if they do in their late 30s, mid 40s, and that means their bones are brittle and fragile, kind of like the bone density of a much older person, like an 80-year-old person. And obviously, we don't want that. Water is essential for just about every function in your body. It's one rule of thumb. You probably heard before that you should drink 8 cups or 8 glasses of water each day, which was a general guideline, but considering we are all different sizes, why would we all drink the same amount of water? So a better guideline would be you should drink half your body weight in water each day. Some functions of water: helps move food through your digestive system, help cools the body through perspiration, helps lubricate your joints, and will transport nutrients and help remove waste. Some tips for getting enough water: drink extra water before, during, and after exercise. Drink extra fluids, especially in hot weather, to prevent dehydration. Limit your consumption of caffeinated drinks such as coffee, tea, soft drinks. Have snack foods like fruits, grapes, watermelon, apples, oranges that naturally have water in them. And that's the end of our nutrient lesson. Now you'll need to complete the Ed puzzle found in your Google Classroom for today.